Hello guys, this is Diane here, Millionaire Mom. Today's lesson is what is the difference between affiliate marketing and network marketing. So affiliate marketing is, for instance, you get a direct sales commission. Now in the world of the internet and digital products, there are two major websites you can go on to sell digital products. One's called JVZoo and the other is Warrior Plus. So you can just go into, for instance, anything that's health related, anything that's gaming, anything that's a tool for getting leads on Facebook, getting traffic. There's absolutely anything under the sun that somebody's invented, that they've found a gap in the market, you can get commission on. With JVZoo and Warrior Plus, they're quite small commissions because they're about, say, $27. Usually you get probably 100% of the first. There's 3 levels in JVZoo, so you get $27 and then there's another. I've just bought something. JVZoo, it's $27, then another $30, then another $30, or something like that. You will get 100% commissions on, usually on the first level, and then say 50% commissions off the second levels. You've got to go out and get each single customer every single time, unless you've got an email list. Okay? Network marketing. You can do the sales, for instance, if you've got health products, you can sell weight loss products, beauty products, makeup products, and you get money for sales. But also, if you get business builders at the same time, you can get commission off their sales, and it depends if you've got a left leg and a right leg, and how many legs you've got, and how many levels. You can get, say, 3 to 5 to 7 levels down. I think 10 is the maximum. But obviously, it goes from 10% to 5% to 3% to 2% to 1%. So that's the basic difference. So affiliate marketing is when you've got a digital product and you sell it on for, say, 100% commission or 50% commission. You can get low ticket items and high ticket items, but high ticket items are harder to sell. And if you can get things on the first week of the launch, they are usually on offer. So they've got, if they don't buy it within the first week, it goes up. So that if you can get in the launch, which you can get, actually I forgot about that, Munchai is a very good source of upcoming launches. So if you get on Munchai with upcoming launches, you can get the sales page and review pages and do your videos 2 weeks before anybody else and get to the top of Google. You heard it from me first. So there's the difference between network marketing and affiliate marketing. Now, I just want to show you a tool that I found called Builderall. And I want to show you, this is an affiliate product, but I've logged out. No, I haven't. Okay. This is an affiliate product that you get 100% commissions. So this product, for example, costs $50. So you get $50 on the first level. So every time somebody buys it off you, you will get $50. You pay your $50 to get $50 back. But you actually get more than one in your first month. You can actually get 10 quite easily. So then there is a second level, which I'm going to show you, that you get 30% from. So in a year, say there's 52 weeks in a year, isn't there? So if you sell 100 lots of 50, well, it's $49.90. You get, say, $4,500. So that's your cash in your hand, one-off payment. Your monthly income would be $1,350. Now, what if, say, 50 of those decided to sell on to somebody else? So if they only did 10 people each, you'd get $8,000 on top of the 5,000 that $4,500 you've already got. But what if they did, well, in a year, what if they did one a week? One a week is 50, and they all do 50. Your monthly income will be $35,000. Now, I didn't understand this when I first did it. I had to go back to my upline and say, hang on a minute, I don't get this, but it's 50 people who have got 50 people. So you've got 2,500 under you, but you only got 50 people. So this is my recommendation as an affiliate product. If you want any more details, click the link below, and I'll see you in the back office and in Liam's group. Also click the subscribe button and hit that notification button and say the words affiliate marketing below if you've enjoyed this video. See you on next time. Bye.